this is my passive aggressive way of protesting the fact that they ruined a perfectly good pair of white denim crop pants. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia and I am doing a Walmart haul for you today with a little bit of Amazon sprinkled in, by the way. So I'm at it again, shopping, and it's only because Walmart has released some stuff for spring that I could not resist, that I knew I had to bring here on the channel because these are so cute. Now, all of us here on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram are saying these are going to sell out, and they very well might. Hopefully not though, because you guys need all of these things. I shouldn't be that way. I should not be that way, but oh my God, nothing sparks the shopping bug in me like buying spring and summer dresses. I love dresses. They're my thing. And that's why I'm always during the spring like, oh my God, I need all the dresses. I need all of them. And yeah, so Anyway, let's go ahead and dive into what I've got here. By the way, everything that I'm trying on is a 2XL. The first dress that I wanted to talk about is this pink dress from Time and True. When I first pulled this out of the packaging, I was all like, oh, this is exactly like the dress that I got last year from Time and True, except it's got a different neckline. The entire time that I was pulling it out, hanging it up, steaming it, I'm thinking to myself, nope, this is a no. I'm gonna tell my gals, no. If you got the pink dress last year, no, don't bother with this one. Then I tried it on and my perspective changed completely. I think this dress is actually quite pretty. Now, it is made of exactly the same fabric as that keyhole dress that I got last year. I wore it. I did wear it. I wore it in Hawaii, went last year in May, hot and humid environment. It performed wonderfully. I was nice and cool the entire day. I did have to get a special bra for it because it was a kind of like a halter top. So that was not cool, but the dress itself was fantastic. It works so well in the summer. The gauzy fabric is really nice and breathable and cool, and especially if you're in a hot and humid climate, this fabric is fantastic. The neckline of the dress, I like this year's version better for a couple of different reasons. First of all, they tie up at the top of the shoulders, but they are adjustable, so if you need to bring the dress up or take the dress down, you absolutely can. And you can wear a conventional bra with this dress. It did slip around a little bit, so you might want to get somebody to help you to tie around your bra strap if you want to keep it in place, or just use some fashion tape. But really, honestly, you can, for all intents and purposes, wear a conventional bra with it. And I was really impressed with the fit. I thought that the fit was very, very flattering. It's got the V neckline, which is always flattering, especially for someone that is plus and petite. V-necks are your best friend, and I really do like that. It opens up the neck area, which the dress from last year did not, and it is cut and sewn in such a way that it is incredibly flattering. It does a really nice job of showcasing the tatas, if you know what I mean. It's a great dress, I think, for running around, and if you're going on vacation, you know, wearing when you're out and about touristing, or I would even see this using this as like a cover up because the fabric is so thin and breathable and it dries quickly. For me, feels more like a running around kind of dress, not so much a dressier dress. This dress comes in 4 solids and 2 iCat tie-dye type prints. It is a really nice one though. Like I said, I was going to say no to this dress, but changed my mind when I tried it on. It is actually quite pretty. And so if you are interested in getting this dress, especially if you missed the boat on the dress last year, you can get that same feel with this particular dress. You'll have that lovely gauzy material similarly to last year's dress. The next dress that I have for you is this blue gingham dress. This is from Terra and Sky. I was very curious about this dress when I saw it, and I'm like, you know what, I've got to try that because it's got 2 different things going on. In the picture, I wasn't sure worked really well together, but in real life, it actually did work out. What I'm talking about is that it's a shirt dress style, but it's got the ruffle at the hem and it's a U-shaped hem. And I just thought that's kind of odd, you know, it's like mixing 2 different styles together. Does this mashup work? Yes, it does. I really, really like this dress. I think that it is really pretty on the body. It does run a little bit big. It's very, very roomy. It comes with a belt, which I don't really like. I don't think that it works as well with the fabric. The fabric is a very lightweight seersucker type fabric. It's like a very, very mild seersucker. It's not like really crimped up like true blue seersucker is. Plus it's also got a little bit more gauziness to the fabric. It's not as stiff as true seersucker, but I do love the gingham pattern. This dress is available in 2 gingham patterns and 2 solids. It has a really interesting little detail that I couldn't see in the picture. It has ladder lace across the top yoke here and on the back as well. So I thought that was a really interesting little touch. So I mentioned that this dress looks better belted with a more structured belt, and in anticipation of getting this Walmart order, I went to Amazon. I ordered a 4-pack of woven belts, like raffia woven belts. These are great for the spring and summer, especially for these lightweight dresses, because I feel that a leather belt is too heavy. It is good value for money. They are in different finishes or colorways, I guess. You've got a light straw colored one, a medium one, you've got a black one, and you get this guy here. They come in one big package, but each of the belts is individually wrapped. The set that I found was approximately $20, and I say approximately because Amazon changes their prices, it seems like, on a daily basis. So it'll be somewhere in that neighborhood. I would say grab them now before they start going up in price, because once spring and summer actually does get here, people are going to start picking these up. I really like these belts, guys. First of all, they're really, really super stretchy. If you're plus size, go with the extra large. They have a plastic raffia-like belt. They all have this, about this tone. These are really, really good belts. As I said, very, very stretchy, and they don't have belt holes. You get to pretty much make your belt hole wherever you want it to be. And then it also has got this little strap right here that's going to hold, you know, the excess on your belt down so that it's not just flapping around. If you enjoy wearing belts, this is definitely one to consider picking up if you haven't already, because this little 4-pack is going to go a long, long way for you. You're going to see these on repeat this summer. Just saying, just telling you right now, expect to see them every single day. Every single day. Are you enjoying this video? Well, if you are, please give me a thumbs up, because that lets me know that you do like this type of content, and I'll bring you even more. Also, make sure to follow me on Like to Know It and Instagram, especially if you enjoy shopping or would like some help with your shopping. Like to Know It is a shopping platform where all of us influencers and content creators post the things that we are loving and recommend for you. It is intended to help make shopping easier for you. It's a great place to find style inspiration as well, not just from me, but from all of the other creators that are out there. It's not just fashion, there's home, there's family, there's cooking and kitchen. They've got everything under Like to Know It. One of the features that I really, really like about Like to Know It is if you like something, you can heart it. If it goes on sale, it will let you know that it has gone on sale. So make sure to follow me over there. A lot of times, all of the hauls that I do go there first. It's a lot easier for me to put them onto Like to Know It and Instagram than it is to produce an entire video here for YouTube. So that way you can get a jump on what I am shopping and recommending. So I'll have that linked down below. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a like, and yeah, let's get back to the video. Back to Walmart stuff. This navy blue dress by Time and True. This was the dress that I saw first when I went to the Walmart website. I think that this dress is going to be the dress of the summer from Walmart, honestly. It's a mini dress. I am 5 feet tall though, so it fits me at knee length, and it covers my knees just enough to make me feel okay with the dress. I absolutely am enamored with this dress. It is everything that I thought it was going to be. It's a very simple dress, but it is incredibly, incredibly beautiful because it has that lovely, lovely eyelet fabric that I love so much. I am such a sucker for eyelet. It is so pretty and feminine. It's like a lace, but not. It's just, eyelet is just, I love it so much. And then the fact that they had it in navy blue, oh my God, I was like, no, I need that. I need it. And so, yeah, I picked it up in the navy blue. It was a battle between the navy blue and the white, but I really am infatuated with navy blue at the moment, and I had to have it. And I think navy blue is actually trending kind of this year. I've noticed there's a lot of navy out there, and I'm here for it. So I picked it up in navy blue, and I could not be happier. This dress is so feminine. So feminine. Now, a couple of things about the dress though. The smocking surprisingly felt a little tight. Normally smocking feels, you know, okay on me, but this smocking is a little stiff, which I'm not mad at necessarily. I did wear my standard bra with it. However, I did see that my bra strap was peeking out every now and again. So you can wear a strapless if you want to, or you could wear your standard bra. But if you do wear your standard bra, it has to have wide set straps, first of all. And secondly, you may want to use some fashion tape to secure the dress to your straps. Another thing though is I actually really liked it when the straps, both of them fell off, and I'm like, wow, this is a beautiful little Bardot dress. You know, it's got the off the shoulder dress. And so I'm like, that kind of dresses it up a little bit for evening. This is a really pretty occasion dress for any kind of spring occasion that you might have coming up. Bridal showers, baby showers, garden parties, barbecues, whatever. I think that this dress is going to be the perfect dress for those occasions, and also date night. I think it's a pretty spring date night dress. It comes in 3 solids: navy blue, white, and I don't remember the other solid. Maybe yellow? It might be yellow, maybe. And it comes in 2 florals. Now, it's important to note that the floral dresses do not have eyelet. They are straight up fabric. There's no eyelet on the florals. So just be aware of that. If you're interested in the florals, you're going to lose the eyelet detail. For me, I would much rather have the eyelet detail and get them in a solid color. This dress is spectacular, guys. And if you get anything, get this one. So the next dress is another one that I was like floored, because I knew I was gonna like it a lot because of the color. And when I put it on, I was like, yeah, this dress is stunning. Love it. And this one is also good for wedding guests. But anyway, it is this orange or coral eyelet dress from Time and True. My favorite is the orange, but they do have it in this really, really pretty sunshiny yellow color as well. And I debated back and forth, but orange I feel is a little bit more flattering on my skin tone. But yellow, the yellow is so pretty and sunshiny, like lemony. Oh, it's really, really a pretty shade of yellow. And then they have 2 floral prints. Now, in the solids, this is an eyelet dress all the way down from shoulders to hem. In the florals, you lose the eyelet detail. That the floral dresses are not eyelet. They're pretty, but I'm all about the eyelet. So for me, it's the solid colors in this dress that really are outstanding because of that eyelet. And they have pockets. I love the fact that you've got a tiered skirt. It is a midi skirt on me, and it will be on pretty much everyone, I think. I like the fact that the straps are adjustable. If you don't like showing a lot of cleavage, the v-neck is quite modest. Doesn't matter to me. I like my cleavage, or if it gets covered, then it gets covered. But it's got really nice fabric covered buttons that are false buttons. They're not false buttons. They're not functioning buttons. There we go. That's what I was looking for. They're not functioning buttons, and it's got this really pretty little ruffle along the neckline. Did I say that the straps were adjustable? Because they are. Really, really pretty dress, but you will have to wear a strapless bra with this one, just saying. I am infatuated with Eyelet. I am such a sucker for it, and I love, love, love this dress. It's got a lovely cotton lining as well, and this dress I believe is 100% cotton. Perfect for the summer. This dress, as well as the navy blue dress, I did feel the need to finish it with a belt because I don't like having that bare waistline. I like to have something there to kind of cover it, and like I said, belts are always good for helping to finish the dress. So I am wearing a black belt with a navy blue dress, and I'm wearing this deeper kind of wheat color on this orange dress. The lighter belt also would have worked on this dress. I just wanted to play around with the belts. Really a nice dress. I love it. It is so, so good. So the next thing that I'm trying for you is throwing us back to winter, but I had to try these out because I've seen other people trying them, and I'm all like, I love Ponte. And so I've got to try them. Let me tell you what they are. They are the Time and True Ponte knit pants with front slit. I wish they had had them in petite. I got the regular length because they don't offer petite in the 2XL. I really like these pants, but they drag on the floor. So I will have to hem them up if I decide to keep them. I think Ponte is one of the best fabrics out there because it is stretchy and comfortable, and yet it's a double gauge knit. And so it's thick and holds things together. You don't see the lumps and bumps, if you know what I mean, and just offers a really nice polished look to a pair of knit pants, especially for office wear. These are really, really good. I styled them with a blazer just so that you could see how I would style them, but you can wear them on their own. I am wearing the green version of this particular sweater by Scoop, also at Walmart, with these pants because I just kind of wanted to show off the pants and show how nice and slim and streamlined they are. I am trying to branch out into other pant silhouettes, which is why I picked these pants up, and I really like them. I think that they're really, really nice. I just wish that they were the right length for me. You could dress these up, dress these down, wear them to work, wear them casually, however you want to wear them. They're gonna look really good. I just wish that they were the right length for me. You would be comfortable in them at work even during the summer. They're pull-on and they're fantastic. So I'm a little bit torn as to whether or not I'm gonna keep these. We'll see. The last thing that I have are an atrocity that I still have in the bag. Yeah, I still have it in the bag because I didn't even pull them out of the packaging. They're a pair of Time and True high-rise straight cropped jean. I was so excited for these because I want a pair of white denim to wear with my striped sweater that I got from H&M, and so I ordered these and they're awful. I didn't even pull them out of the packaging. You see that? Do you see that? There is like light blue and pink all through here. It looks like I washed these with jeans and red things. Why? Why? Why would you do that? Why? Now, in all fairness, the color name is Cotton Candy. And I didn't bother to read the color name when I ordered. This is what happens when you place orders on Walmart without wearing your glasses. I thought they were white. I was so excited when they arrived. I'm all like, ooh, yay. And I got that. I was so mad. I was so mad. So I'm taking them back to Walmart in the packaging. This is my passive aggressive way of protesting the fact that they ruined a perfectly good pair of white denim crop pants with dye. That's just my way of protesting because I'm pissed. I'm pissed about the fact that those aren't white. Anyway, I didn't even bother to try them on. I couldn't tell you how they fit. I'm not going to try them on. Suffice it to say, I am considering exchanging them for a different wash, possibly because I want to get a pair of jeans that I can wear with that striped sweater, plus I can wear with my new Vivaya boots that I'm excited about. So yeah, I'm back and forth on that. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But anyway, let me know what you think, and also let me know what you get for yourself. It always makes me really happy when you tell me that you bought something that I've recommended because, well, it feels good to know that I'm providing some value in your life. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up because it really does help me out. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything here on my channel. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I am going to leave you with another video right here. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.